which means you want to hedge your account receivable. So from put option, how you can do that? Your biggest risk is that the Canadian dollar exchange rate may go down. You buy put. When you buy put, what is the cost? Cost is that you have to pay $300,000. No, $30,000. It's 1 million, right? Yes. Right? If this put option is not available, then how you can do that? Your risk is that the Canadian dollar may go down. And in fact, what happened? Okay, you can say that if you purchase the call option, purchasing of the call option will hedge you against upward movement of the Canadian dollar, but you are concerned about downward movement. So you take the opposite position by selling call option. Means you will be receiving. You will be paying this when you will be receiving. What if the price go down? For example, this is 0.0. The Canadian dollar is 0.53. And now it is 0.50. Right? In put option, you will say that, look, I contracted with you this one, so I will be selling you at this price. Hooray, very nice. But what happened to this call option, selling the call option? Right? Because you sell the call option, the buyer will not exercise the price. Buyer will say that the price didn't go up, so I will be letting this option expire. Why to purchase from this at 0.53 when I can buy from the open market 0.50? So we will let it expire. He will not exercise the price, the profit to you with 30,000. You will be converting your come on again. So wait. So you will be converting your, what's going on? So you will be converting your 1 million Canadian dollar at 0.50 and will be receiving 500,000 and adding your 30,000 profit that you will be receiving with selling the call. So you would be happy that you didn't have any loss because you already receiving the call premium, right? If both are available, then you can just kind of have a mix of strategies and you can minimize your risk. You understand? So don't confuse or don't mix I think appropriate thing is don't mix call option with the put option. Put option is separate, call option is separate, right? Let's move forward. So corporations in foreign currencies can use currency put options in some cases to cover these positions. We just talk about that.
So I think something happened with the screen. At least for me.
Can you see the screen right now?
No, it's just.
No, we can't.
We can't.
Really?
It's just a blue bar on
Okay.
the right side of the screen.
Can you see now?
Not yet.
Yes.
Let me stop share and share again. Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay. So corporations in foreign currencies can use currency put options in some cases to cover these positions. We just talk about that, the opposite case of this one. So some put options are deep out of money. Deep out of money means that what are the put option? That price may go down. That's why you purchase it. But instead price is going up. So it's gone so up that that buyer, that buyer of the put option will not exercise the price. The difference is too much. That's why we call this deep out of the money. Deep means that the difference is huge. So how you can then earn money? Let me just read this one. So these options are cheaper as they are unlikely to be exercised because their exercise price is too low. So how you can do that? You can sell the put option, you can receive the premium in that case. Of course, the premium gonna be very small, but still, if you increase the reference point, it's gonna be increased. So other put options have an exercise price that is currently above the prevailing exchange rates and are therefore most likely to be exercised. So consequently, these options are more expensive. So what they are trying to say is that if the option is near to in the money, or it is right now at the money, but the future is that the price is going to decrease, it become in the money, the premium will be higher. If the chances are that in future price are not going to decrease, then chances are that the premium going to be low. So for deep out of the money or out of the money put premiums, they are low. In the money or at the money, and the chances are that the option going to be in the money in future, the premium start increasing. Now speculating with currency put option. Individuals may speculate with currency put options based on their expectations of future movements in particular currency. Fairly simple. So speculators can attempt to profit from selling currencies put options. Remember, what did I told you? Pay close attention to whether they are purchasing or they are selling. So speculators can attempt to profit from selling currency put options. The seller of such currencies, such options is obligated to purchase the specified currency at a strike price from the owner who exercised the put option. What they're trying to say, if you are a seller of put option, it means if the buyer exercises the position to sell you, then you will become purchaser of the currency. The net profit to a speculator is based on exercise price at which currency can be sold versus the purchase price of the currency and the premium paid. Like I told you, buy low, sell high, and adjust premiums. Right? Simple. Here we go. So I hope I don't have to spend a lot of time making you understand this one, because I already told you what is the purchaser of call option and what is the sale of the call option. Here we go. So this is the profit graph of a call option. So one is the purchaser of the call option, the other is the seller of the call option. So seller of the call option will only receive the call premium. So its profit is until the option is out of the money. So if the premium is 0.02, so seller of the call option will receive 0.02. Its profit cannot be increased, right? But purchaser of the call option, its maximum loss is that up to the point where he paid the call option. So its maximum loss start from here, and if the price goes up, he will start exercising the price. And how much is the profit? Unlimited. If market price happens to exercise price con 2.5, he will exercise the price. Whatsoever is the price, his profit would be unlimited, right? But the loss of the seller of the call option is also unlimited, because if the price goes up, more chances are that the seller will exercise the price and your loss going to be huge, right? Only profit is limited for the seller of the call option, but the profit is unlimited of the buyer of the call, is vice versa, right? Loss of the buyer of the call option is limited. After that, he will let the option expire, but the loss of the seller of the call option is unlimited. Similarly, with the put option, purchaser of the put option will pay, so its maximum loss going to be the amount of premium he paid. Otherwise, he's going to let the option expire. So its loss cannot be more than that. Profit for the seller of the both option is up to the amount of the premium received, and that is their maximum profit. See, so they receive 0.03 premium, so their profit is maximum this one. So profit of the exercise price going to be limited up to 0. If the price is decreased to 0, you could still have negotiation power to sell at 1.50. So it's also its profit going to be not unlimited but limited, right? Similarly, the loss is also limited in case of selling of the put option, because price can also maximum go to 0, right? Cannot be negative. Understand? Any question? So that's why I spend a lot of time on making you understand the seller side of the call option and put option. So if you understand,
Fair enough.
then please say I understand. And if you don't understand, then please say repeat.
Understood.
Understood, sir.
David,
Yes, sir.
Alima, Michael, Laura, Ploy, Camilla, Leo.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very nice. I am lucky I got such a good intelligent students. Very nice. Okay, now European style currency options.
Sir, sorry, we are now 11. It's almost midnight.
So we are just finished. I think it's just this last. I think.
Oh, good.
I think it's just the last slide. That's it. And rest of the things are just concept checkers you can do by yourself. We can also include these concept checker in our next class. I'm going to be starting this with a number of questions. So just finish the theory here. European style currency options. European style currency options must be exercised on expiration date if they are exercised at all, which means you cannot exercise during the period. You must let the time